Hi, my name is Vishal and I'm a senior trainer in multimedia education. I have 18 years of industry experience and let's get started with the video. Hello, so you could see here I've completed the UV unwrapping of this Dagger model. So I would just show you the way the things are arranged. Just make sure that they are not penetrating anywhere. It's very important. They are away from each other. Just that slight spacing would generally help a lot. So anything which is too much close to the object, if it's possible, just move it away. Okay, so I've got the UVs done for this model. You could spend some quality time and you can avoid this space wastage. Try to keep as tight as possible. For that you need to scale the UVs little bit up and then manually arrange it and make sure that you are keeping it within the zone. So I've done with that UV part. Make sure that there is no construction history. I press Alt Shift D and then also modify freeze transformation, and then I select the object and export it. So I'll just choose File, Export Selection, and I export it in OBJ format. Okay, OBJ format. So I am in ZBrush right now, so it's very default interface. So I'm going to import this. Okay, OBJ format into ZBrush. This model has got some n-gons. It's asking whether you want to convert into quads and triangles. You can say yes. If no, you have to go back and fix that and bring it. Okay, so I'll just take this one and then drag and then create the dagger in ZBrush. Now if I press T on the keyboard, you get the dagger. I'll just rotate it and then you could able to see the model here. I will change the material to the basic material here, and then you can start sculpting it, and then you have the model. And I'll just go to the polygroup sections and then I'll say UV groups or auto groups, and then it generally makes all objects into different groups so that I can work on that particular object. Okay, like that. So mainly I brought this model to add some details. Some of them are not really there in the reference, but I just wanted to do certain details here. So what I'm going to do is go to the geometry section and hit divide and put it some up to 5 times and then start doing certain details there. I'll be using this brush called H polish brush. Okay, which is there in this. So I just get that by pressing B, H, and then you should be able to see that brush here. So I use this H polish just to do the polish of this at different parts of the curvature and then give that nice stylized effect. Just try to keep it more organic. So I'm just rotating it and I'm not maintaining the symmetry here. I'm not using any brushes from outside. I just wanted it to be within the ZBrush, so anybody can just randomly use and achieve it. Okay, that looks nice. So I do it for the bottom side also. So I'll do this edge polish brush on all parts. First I'm doing it on the blade. And then I'll doing in this handle of this dagger. I do it just to get that nice flat shape which I've seen in the reference. I want that generally in brass utensils they get this result by hitting it again and again at some same place. That gives a nice look and feel and character to the whole material. So when I take this to substance painter, I try to get that curvature of this dents. So you should be able to see that when I rotate that kind of detail. So I need to do it in all sides, and that nice highlights. In terms of texturing and all that, we get nice details in this area. So I have to do it on the other side. As I said, I don't want to keep it symmetrical. So I'll be exporting the model from here. The Maya version will completely get altered. The base mesh will generally change a lot, so I can't use that Maya model anymore. So the low poly, the model should be brought from the ZBrush only. So I'm using the edge polish, or you can use a simple flatten brush. So I got that all details on the model. Okay, I need to do it in this handles. Okay, looks good. Once I've got this all that flattened effect throughout the model, I'll be going into the light box, and then in brush we have this /1 brush. So I'm going to use that brush and then just get that slashes on the. So I just don't want to overdo it, just keep it here and there. So I've added that slashes on the blades especially. I've not added anything on the handle. Okay, so I'm not overdoing it again, just kept few slashes, and the rest of the thing I just wanted to achieve it in the substance painter. Hopefully I get it, but before that I need to export this model and then export the normal map, which is very important, and then bring it into the substance painter and then paint it. Okay, so this is the ZBrush part for this model.